Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a picture on Flipgrid. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting subscribe button, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Could open a web browser and log into your Flipgrid account. Once you're logged in, open up your Flipgrid topic from your home screen. Go and open up your camera by clicking on the topic. Click on the three dots at the top right. Click on Record a Response. Once the camera opens up, click on Effects. This will open up several effects on the screen. Click on Photo from the options and click on Add Customers to select a picture from your library that you'd like to add. Click Open and as you can see that it has appeared on the screen. Resize the photo by dragging in the circle on each side of the photo. After you're done, you're now ready to record. Click on the circle and record your video. That is how you can add a photo, also a good video. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for it. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.